Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul ya ibadiyallazina asrafu.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, all you who have done a lot of mistakes, do not despair regarding of the mercy of Allah. Allah forgives all sins. He is the all-forgiving.
Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Royal Highnesses, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. To begin, let me extend my profound appreciation to the custodian of the two holy mosques, His Majesty King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, and His Royal Highness Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia, Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, for their sagacious leadership in convening this session of Arab Islamic Summit. Excellencies, the humanitarian crisis in Gaza has reached a level beyond imagination. For over 1 year, the occupied Palestinian territories, particularly Gaza, have fallen in endless darkness and despair, with devastated homes, lives lost, and families torn apart. How long should humanity shut its eyes to hospitals being blown up along with injured women clutching the lifeless bodies of their infants? Ladies and gentlemen, these atrocities committed against the Palestinians have rightfully been labeled as genocide, not only by the media but by the International Court of Justice. With each passing day, every moral code has been flagrantly violated by Israel. Yet the killing and destruction continue with no end in sight. I ask, ladies and gentlemen, how long will this annihilation be ignored? Excellencies, Israel has been emboldened by the world's indifference and inaction. There is an utter disregard of humanity's repeated calls for a ceasefire, unhindered humanitarian relief, and protection of civilians, while houses, along with their occupants, are being blown up. The most sophisticated weapons continue to be supplied to Israel. Indeed, it has been assured of unconditional assistance and protection. Excellencies, the international humanitarian laws meant to protect the vulnerable have been torn to shreds. Humanity is being tested and failing. While Gaza bleeds, the world watches in deafening silence. Is it any wonder then that after decades of suffering and oppression, the spirit of resistance remains unbridled? The flames of defiance burn brighter even under the relentless siege. Excellencies, Pakistan stands firm in its commitment to Palestine's right to self-determination. We reiterate our unwavering support to establish an independent, viable, and contiguous state of Palestine with Al-Quds Sharif as its capital, based on the pre-1967 borders. This is the only avenue towards justice and durable peace in the Holy Land. My dear brothers and sisters, Pakistan strongly condemns Israel's recent strikes on Iran as an outright violation of sovereignty and territorial integrity. We equally denounce Israel's ongoing military aggression against Lebanon and stand in complete solidarity with its innocent people. Such escalations constitute a dangerous threat that could unleash a broader war. My dear brothers and sisters, as the Ummah, we are bound by duty, by faith, and by our conscience to stand resolutely with the people of Palestine more than ever before. We must not let this systematic genocide and aggression persist. Therefore, this conference must call for 1. An immediate and unconditional ceasefire. 2. Impose an immediate arms embargo on Israel. Lifting of Israel's blockade against Gaza, ensuring the prompt delivery of food, water, electricity, and medical aid to our brothers and sisters in Gaza. Accountability for Israel's war crimes. Pursue the adoption of UNGA's Emergency Special Session Resolution 10/24 that follows up historic advisory opinion by the ICJ. A comprehensive review of Israel's membership in the United Nations. Your Royal Highness, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz, and my very dear brothers and sisters, let this summit be a moment to transform our voices into actions. Together, we must move beyond condemnation and act swiftly to uphold justice and dignity for the people of Palestine and all those who face oppression. May our unity today be the dawn of Palestine's freedom. Ameen, summa ameen. I thank you.